Hey people, so this is from the Slurrp Farm Mighty Munch Tangy Tomato. Ayush, how does it taste? How does it look? Show me how does it look?
Maybe star.
Okay, and how does it taste? Ayush's reviews are always very good.
Just like pepper, but it tastes like
Give me one.
pepper, but inside a tomato.
Pepper inside a tomato, and go and offer it to Nana also. Yeah, it's like that pepe, na? And we got a pack of 5 for I think 190 rupees, and otherwise per packet is yeah, you could say it's 10 bucks. Oh, it's 20 bucks. But it's because Slurrp Farm is something that it's a good brand. I mean, they had millet noodles, but probably next time around I'd want to try that out. And only thing, millet noodles, we'd have to have the garnishing of our own garlic and all of that. Ayush, let's have regular meals, please. So what is your final review of this, Ayush? You would recommend it? It's yummy?
Recommend it for people who don't have a spice tolerance like me.
Oh,
I mean, I have spice tolerance, but this is really bland, but like it has still flavor, and like I'd recommend it to people who have no spice tolerance.
okay, so it's not very spicy, you're saying.
Yeah.
So truly, people, so this is from the Slurrp Farm brand, and it's called Mighty Munch Tangy Tomato. So, and my kid seems to, I feel really happy seeing this young man thing. So truly looking forward to more products from Slurrp Farm. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.